Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're going to start here in the tint bay in Latrobe with Terrell tinting a Civic Type R. And behind John, we've got an annual inspection on a Honda SUV. Behind a 4Runner, this is the new 4Runner. It got a ceramic coating. Love the look of these things. Everybody in the shop has commented how much they like those. So I guess Toyota did a good job with the new 4Runner. And a Silverado High Country. This one got PPF on the front end, and it's next up for a ceramic coating. It's starting to get closer to winter, so we're starting to see more trucks and SUVs and less sports cars. Beside us, we have a Super Duty big black truck. We are polishing the heck out of it, making it look like a mirror, and then ceramic coating it. In front of that is the 911 Turbo that's been here for a little while now. It got PPF replaced. It was just getting old, and a ceramic coating. It's ready to go home. Now we're just waiting for the weather to clear off a little bit, roads to dry up, so we can get it over to its storage facility. On the lift, the PPF guys have just finished up PPF track package, so the front end and the rocker panels on this beautiful M4, and it's next up for a ceramic coating. The M4 also got full tint all the way around, including the shield. Over here is a Genesis, I don't know which Genesis, GV70. It came with a satin finish paint from factory. If you've ever had a satin finish paint from factory, you know it is absolutely awful to take care of. It stains easily. You can't polish it. It's very difficult to clean without scratching. So we've wrapped this entire car in xpel Stealth to allow you to kind of treat it like regular paint. It self-heals, it's protected, all that good stuff, all the benefits of a PPF with the satin finish. Outside, we've got an Acura RDX. This one was here for window tint, and my 944 has made an appearance. This car was broken. It is not broken anymore. It will be broken again soon, I'm sure. But I love those things. I don't know why. We have a GTI here for window tint later today, and a couple of stealth wrapped cars will show off. One is Max's Type R, always looking good. The other is my wife's Escalade. She just pulled in. Recently, we tinted the taillights on this too with xpel tinted PPF. We're gonna be doing those marker lights and a couple other pieces. It's here to get cleaned up today. We have another Escalade for window tint straight from the Cadillac dealership, our friends up at Smale. We appreciate the business. If you're in the market for a Cadillac, they're great to work with. And we have a beautiful GMC Sierra AT4. This one was here for window tint. And that's all we have going on here at Latrobe. Let's check in with some of the other shops.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we still have our Lamborghini Huracan here. This was in What's in the Shop last week for its windshield protection film. And the customer decided to leave it behind here at the shop to get a full body ceramic coating in our xpel Fusion Plus Premium 8-year coating. Ready to head back to Audi Porsche Swickley is this brand new 911. This is in for a track package and our 8mm paint protection film. Freshly tinted here is this Cadillac CT5V. We previously tinted this in 20%. The customer decided he wanted to go a little bit darker after having 20% for a couple years. So we took off all of the existing tint and reapplied our xpel Prime XR 5% tint to the side windows and the back window. Freshly polished and ceramic coated is this Jeep Wrangler. This is a previous customer of ours who we coated as Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. And after getting the Jeep and washing it once, he said, "This is horrible to wash. I need to get it ceramic coated." So that's why it's in. We coated all the painted areas, the hard top, wheels, calipers, and glass. In for some paint protection film and a hand wash is this Porsche 911. This got a track package about a year ago, and this is a track monster. So it had some damage on one of the rocker panels. We reapplied a fresh piece of paint protection film. Now we're doing a deep clean on the entire exterior. Back at the PPF base, a couple stealth wraps. We have the BMW M3 underway. You can see the bumper is not yet done, but these guys already have the majority of the sides done. This vehicle's getting a full body stealth wrap and then a 4-year ceramic coating. The F350 is next in line. This is all prepped and ready to go. This is also getting a stealth wrap. It's gonna be a really unique look. I can't say I recall ever doing a Super Duty, so it's gonna be one of a kind, that's for sure. So doing a full body stealth wrap and then a 4-year coating on this as well.
A big thank you to our brothers in the north, and of course let's all join and apologize to them for the weather they're having up there. It's a beautiful low 80 here in Fort Lauderdale, and of course that means we're at Blackout Tinting Miami. Let's go in there and check out what kind of cars we have today, because we got some cool ones. So first up is a brand new Ferrari 296. This is basically the SF90's little brother. It's a V6 instead of a V8, but apparently quite a cool car. But anyway, Felipe is going to be putting full 8mm PPF wrap on this and keeping the gloss side of it. So it will be xpel Ultimate Plus fully protected. And then we're also tinting the windows 70% all around, which is actually already done. So what this window tint's going to do is actually block out a lot of UV rays down here in Florida, keep the interior cooler and more protected against any kind of leather damage. Next up, guys, we have a brand new 2026 C8 Corvette ZR1 getting the works. It is getting installed right now by Felipe, some XPel Stealth paint protection film. The entire car is going to be protected, and it's going to be changing this blade silver to kind of a matte or satin finish. XPel Stealth not only protects, but it also changes the look of the car a little bit. On top of that, we are also going to be doing XPel XR Plus 20% window tint and 70% on the front windshield, which again is going to help keep the temperatures down on the interior, but also protect the leather dashboard from any kind of premature damage or anything like that. On top of all of that, the whole car will be getting protection for its protection with some ceramic coating to really help make this thing pop and also make it a lot easier to wash in the future. That's going to do it for this What's in the Shop Wednesday update, guys. If you liked it, smash the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe for future updates, and we will catch you next Wednesday.